Evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening and congratulations.
For what, sir? Vaccination.
Yes, nowadays getting vaccination is a matter of getting congrats.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I will start at sharp 5:05.
Okay, sir.
And
Good evening,
the good evening, Arpita. The rule is going to be you have to keep your both audio and video on so that I can track how you are writing. Fine. So in exam, both audio and video will be on. Uh, Total time. Okay. Now someone, Ananya is coming. Okay. Let her come. Then I will complete. So you have to take care that there is no one in your family who is nearby and making a noise. It has to be a very calm and quiet room. So, Ananya, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, in this exam, you have to keep your camera and audio both on so that I can see what you are doing, what you are writing. And if someone is nearby who can make a noise, you can tell him in advance to be silent for half an hour. We will start at 5:05. 30 minutes we will continue. And the last 5 minutes is going to be for clicking the photo of the answer sheet and sending me on WhatsApp.
Sir, you are taking the proper exam.
So I'm taking the proper exam. I'm trying. I don't know how successful I'm going to be, but I'm trying to take a proper exam. So 5:05 to 5:35 exam, and then 5:35 to 5:40 is submitting the answer sheet. That's it. Okay, only Shivangi is thinking what to do. Shivangi also is ready. Right. Okay, so now a few seconds more and then we'll start. Once you will complete the answer of any question just raise the hand or send one thumbs up emoji so that I will go to the next question. Right. So now we are starting.
Sir,
Ananya. हाँ हाँ.
एक minute.
Okay, 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 okay.
I didn't getting anything with your videos. So, sir, what will I do?
So not a problem. You try to understand the questions. Whatever you feel that you can write, you can write. Otherwise, just go through the process.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Should we start, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So the first question is match the columns. Left hand side, you have all French words, and right hand side, you have English words. Please match. 6 marks. I think Ananya has finished. Arpita also is done. Shivangi. Use the emoji buttons to confirm that you have done. Yes. Okay, Shivangi.
Done.
Done. Okay, next one. Choose the correct option. You have 5 things, and then you have many options down below. For which sentence, which option is the correct one?
Sir, we have to write the question also.
You can just write number 2, then A, B, C, D, E. Five are there, 5. Just write the answer. That's it. Number 1, which one will come? Number 2, which one will come? Try to keep as simple as possible. Just write the option. That's it.
you meet your teachers? Go to someone's house at night, you say. I'm meeting someone, you say.
Very good. Arpita is done.
Meet your teachers.
Done, sir.
Okay.
I have a one problem. This
Tell me.
these all option are means extra option है क्या?
There are only 5 sentences, and I think I have
हाँ,
given 1, 2, 3,
एक
4,
एक ही
5, 6,
option
7,
है.
8, 9, 10
हाँ हाँ.
options.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So there are extra options. Okay. Third one, left side you have questions in French, and right hand side you have answers in French. You have to match questions and answers. Match it.
सर इसमें मेरा नाम भी है.
इसमें तीनों का नाम है.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Again, Arpita has finished this third question also. Okay, Ananya also is done.
Sir, how many questions are there?
I think 12 are there. So it's possible that we cannot finish all of them in this one class. Let's see. Shivangi is taking more time.
Done, sir.
Okay, put the missing accents.
Okay.
Accents are missing. Ague, grave, trema, circumflex, and sedile. Okay, good, Ananya. Finished.
I haven't remembered, so I left it, sir.
You left it. Just try. Few are very easy. I know few are tough, but I always suggest that you should attempt whatever wrong, right, attempt. When there's no negative marking, there's no harm in attempting.
Sir, there is so much confusion in acute and grave.
I know that. I know that. And that will come only through revision and practice, nothing else.
Sir, like other accents are easy. Circumflex and sedile.
And
They are,
trema also.
yes, sir. Trema also.
So out of these 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four.
I think half is, I will give you a hint, half is ague and grave, and rest half is other three.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. But what to do? Ague and grave only, they are the most popular.
Done, sir.
Okay. All done? Okay. Fifth one, write 10 words from any 10 letters of the alphabet. There are 26 letters. You can choose any 10 and write 10 words. Any 10. So try to recall the examples of A to Z. What all you remember, you can write.
Sir, can we write the counting also?
I won't answer. See, the question is so simple. Write 10 words from any 10 letters of the alphabet. Means any 10 words, any 10 letters. So much of freedom is there. This question is full of freedom. Whatever you remember, you can write. So out of 10, I think 4, 5 will be so easy. But if you write something different, something unique, that will show that you have
Sir,
done.
I was thinking like we have to give one example with with 5 alphabets.
No. Out of 26, choose any 10 letters and write 10
Yes.
words. That's it. So simple.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Wow. This time Shivangi has become first. Okay. I think Arpita also is done. Okay, right. Now this is your counting. Match the columns. Left hand side we have numbers in French, and right hand side we have numbers in English. You have to match. There are few which are out of syllabus, which we have not studied, but because it's a
Sir,
matching
but
thing, because a matching thing, you can do it.
yes, sir.
Six months. Very good. Okay. Now only Shivangi left. Come on, Shivangi, fast. It is so easy.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay. Now write in French. All five of these, either they are sentence or phrases or this addition and subtraction. You have to write in French. So first two, you have to write the numbers also in French and that symbol also in French. Plus, minus, equal to. That also in French. Okay. One confirmation has come.
Done, sir.
Okay. Shivangi also is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Introduce yourself in 5 sentences. So we have fixed 5 sentences. I think 5 or 6 we have learned. Write any 5. My name, where I live, what I am, nationality, age. I have given you hint also, 5. My name, age, what I do, nationality, and city in which I live. Okay. One confirmation I have received. Okay. Now only Shivangi is left.
Okay, sir, done.
Done. Now seven Zur, 7 marks. Les jours de la semaine, days of the week.
So yeah, there was
I haven't remember, sir.
I think it means you have not done the proper revision.
Sir, I am forgetting the 2 days.
No problem. No problem. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I'll give you 5 minutes at the end to revise your answer sheet. Nothing to worry, because I know that you all cannot cheat, because you know that there's no a point of copying or taking help. Whatever I know, I know. I don't know, I don't know. If I don't know, I have to revise, I have to
I don't
practice.
know any of them.
So just you can skip. You can skip. Skip. Okay, I will go further. The next one is Les Mois de l'année, all 12 months.
What does it mean, sir?
Months of the year.
Okay,
Months
sir.
of the year. So we have 12 months. So 12 words we have to write.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Why are you learning French language? This is of a pure subjective question. Do not write so many things. Ask yourself that why you are learning, and write your perspective. Do not write what we have studied. Write your perspective. Why are you learning French language?
Sir, in English, na.
In English, in English. Yes, yes. And this is the last one. So do that one and the last. The last question is write the numbers which come before and after. So for example, the first one is the. So which will be before, which will be after. 15, same thing after and before. So this is 12 and this is the last one, I believe. Yes, last one. So 11th and 12th, you can
What we have to do in class, question number 12, sir?
So see, there are numbers like the, Kaz, Disnaf, Owns, and Seth. So which one will come before that, left hand side, and which number will come after that?
Okay.
Very, very
Means
easy.
after before we have to write.
Yes, yes. Which number will come before that and which number will come after that in French?
How many lines we have to write in question number 11?
That will be approx 10, 12 numbers. So 10, 12 numbers means 10, 12 sentences. Simple. So this is the last question, number 12. So complete 11 and 12, and then you
In
can.
question number 11, we have to write our experience. Now, why we are
Your,
learning.
yes. Your logic, purely your logic. If the class will be over because of time constraint, nothing to worry. You can click the photo, send it to me, because now it's only last minute is going on.